used to have cedar siding on our house, and it was about 30 years old. It was poorly maintained, so it was curling and had some holes in it. When the wind blew, it would flap up against the house and make a lot of noise.
Kids at night. We didn't want to have to be painting every couple of years. We didn't want to have to deal with cracks or dents or the siding pulling away from the house as our current siding was. And so having something that we knew would last and would still look good for a long time was a huge factor in our decision.
Looking at the vinyl sided houses, we'd drive up to the address, and it was always like, is that the one? Is that the right one? And every time we drove up to the Hardie house, it stood out in the neighborhood. It was obviously that was the nicest looking house in the neighborhood. I think the siding looks great. We've already got a lot of compliments from the neighbors. It's only been up for a couple of weeks. In fact, we had a neighbor that we've never met before ring the doorbell and ask who we used and how we decided to go with them. And now they're going to put James Hardie on their house.
I would describe James Hardie siding as siding that is extremely durable, that's long-lasting and that looks great, and something you don't have to worry about.